Here's a quick demo of how a roofing job comes together in XBuild. We start by entering the job details. In this example, we kept it simple and told XBuild we need a roof estimate using Owens Corning shingles. But this is where you can be as detailed as needed to help build out the estimate. Then we upload the roof measurements and inspection photos. From there, we hit enter and XBuild starts putting everything together in the background. And just like that, the estimate is ready. As we scroll through, you'll see the proposal begins with an introduction, company information, and labeled photos. Then we get to the estimate, where XBuild builds out the scope using live supplier pricing and lays everything out in a clear, professional format. This makes it easy to review the job, understand the pricing, and see how everything is organized. If you need to make any pricing changes, you can click Edit and adjust things like margin directly inside the platform. Then we switch to the homeowner view, where the proposal shows different pricing options along with additional work like a gutter estimate. From there, the homeowner can choose the option they want and pay directly through the proposal. It's a simple way to turn job details into a polished estimate and proposal.